Students, in last lecture we discussed self-aldol and cross-aldol. Means aldol reaction will occur in that type of reactants which contain alpha hydrogen. Here we discussed Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction we have reagent which do not contain alpha hydrogen. So I am writing here no alpha hydrogen. This is the condition. Alpha hydrogen will not be there. See, reagent in this case is concentrated alkali. Means I am writing here concentrated KOH or NaOH with some heating. This is disproportionation reaction. This is disproportionation reaction. The meaning of disproportionation is self-oxidation and reduction. Self-oxidation and reduction will occur. I will write one example. This is HCHO. This is one carbon containing aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen and alpha carbon. Here we require 2 moles. Reason you understand, one time oxidation, one time reduction of same reagent will occur. Name of this compound is methanol. Here I am writing concentrated KOH delta. We understand always aldehyde will oxidize to carboxylic acid or salt of carboxylic acid, and reduction of aldehyde will give alcohol. So one carbon containing alcohol is CH3OH. This is obtained by reduction of this. We have 2 moles, so 1 mole is reduced, 1 mole will be oxidized. Because of KOH, here we obtain HCOOK, means K plus HCOO minus. Again I repeat this, methanol is obtained by reduction of methanol, and potassium formate, means this is salt of carboxylic acid, is obtained with the help of oxidation of this aldehyde. We consider another example. This carbon is alpha carbon, but it does not contain alpha hydrogen. So name of this compound is benzaldehyde. We have same concentrated KOH in presence of some heating. We understand CHO group is converting to CH2OH by reduction, and CHO group is converting to COOH or salt of carboxylic acid with the help of oxidation reaction. So in this case benzene as such, and due to reduction process aldehyde group will be converting to this CH2OH group, plus this is benzene ring as such, phenyl ring, actually C6H5 it is. Now it should be converting to COO minus K plus. Name of this compound is potassium benzoate. Name of this compound is benzyl alcohol. So again I